Something strange is going on with DJI. Today I'm going to explain my story trying to get my hands on a Mini 3 Pro. As most of my longtime subscribers know, I've flown every DJI drone other than the newest Matrice series, so I have a long loyalty to DJI drones. Now with that said, I emailed my DJI contact and DJI's affiliate content partnerships in order to see if they would send me a Mini 3 Pro, but I didn't hear back from them. Since the Mini 3 Pro is only available for pre-order in the United States, I reached out to DJI's pre-order sales team. They told me it won't be available until August. So then I went to DJI's website, which I've provided links below, and ordered the drone with a normal controller and a Flymore Kit Plus and 1 year of DJI insurance. Then I read an article on Drone DJ's website, which leads to some controversy. This is just one source of info, but they're usually very reliable. Now this article explained that the earliest I would get the DJI Mini 3 Pro is by the end of May, but only if I bought it with the RC controller. Well, I don't want the RC controller. I prefer using my iPad. So yeah, people like me who want to use the drone or drone with a normal controller will have to wait until August, the same time DJI's pre-order sales team confirmed with me. What's up with that, DJI? From my perspective, it seems like DJI is holding my money like it's a Kickstarter campaign and using it to reinvest however it pleases. It also is forcing people to buy the RC controller so they can increase their sales. And then when everybody already purchased the RC controller, they'll probably make the normal smart controller compatible, because right now the RC controller is only compatible with the Mini 3 Pro and the smart controller is not compatible with the Mini 3 Pro. Also, people who want to spend less money and get the normal controller, or who don't need a controller because they already have one from a previous DJI drone, have to wait until August for the Mini 3. That's some. They could blame it on supply chains, but that argument doesn't completely hold up. They already are manufacturing and shipping the normal controllers. People already have the normal controllers to use, so why not just ship the unit by itself for loyal customers? Why announce the Mini 3 Pro unless it's ready? After thinking about it for a moment, this is my conclusion. DJI, number one, wants to maximize profits. That's perfectly normal for any business. So they saw one of their biggest competitors, Autel Robotics, release the Autel Nano Plus, and DJI therefore wanted to get the Mini 3 Pro out in the market as soon as possible. That makes sense. However, I do feel like DJI is forcing loyal customers to buy the most expensive option because the other options won't arrive until August. And most people don't want to wait 3 months for a newly released drone. That's the way I see it. I'm a loyal DJI customer, but DJI needs to be more transparent with people like you and me. So what's going on, DJI? What do you think? Is it worth waiting until August? Should I get the Mini 3 Pro with the RC controller, even though it's not my first choice? What are you gonna do? Leave a comment below. That's it. I'm Breck Aramella, and remember, fly like a pro.